If you're looking for a recipe for a large tortilla that doesn't cost you many carbs, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get all our recipes. Today we have got a recipe for a very large, plate-sized tortilla. Flexible, and it's a tortilla. You can do with it as you like. Let's get into the recipe now. I'm using my mixer today just to save me some time, but you can totally do this by hand. So to a bowl, we are first going to add 1 cup of coconut flour, 4 tablespoons of Psyllium Husk Powder, and if you like to use grams, those are in our description box. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now we're just going to whisk the dry ingredients to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Okay, that's pretty good. It's all one color. And now we are going to add 2 cups of hot broth, and I'm using beef broth. You can also use water if you don't have broth on hand, and you can also use maybe chicken stock. And lastly, 1/2 cup of butter. And now you're going to mix that all together until you have a consistent dough. Apologies, our camera seemed to have malfunctioned, but you're going to roll it into a log first and then cut it into 8 pieces and then form round shapes. Place 1 ball in the center of your parchment paper and place another one on top and then roll it out. You're looking for like a medium-sized pot shape. If your parchment paper crinkles underneath like this, I just want to show you a simple trick. You just turn the tortilla over and then you straighten your parchment paper and then you keep going. Now that you've rolled out your large tortilla, you are going to need a medium-sized pot lid, and this is how we're going to achieve perfectly round tortillas. Press down, twist, and you have a cut tortilla. Look at that, that looks so good. Okay, I'm going to keep rolling out my tortillas, and then I'm going to take the excess and I'm going to make more tortillas with it. It should get maybe 1 or 2 out of the excess. So I'll keep going. Okay, this is what I'm left with. You will need to roll your tortillas out quite thin. Not too thin, just thin enough. Hard to explain. 1 millimeter. There you go. And also I've put them between sheets of baking paper or parchment paper. This is a really good way to freeze them. You've got them separated between paper, and you can have a fresh tortilla every time you just whoop one out. That's if you want to make it in bulk. Let's fry these up now and I'll show you how to do that. Set your burners to low, and in a frying pan or a skillet we're going to place coat a little bit of butter, coat the pan with a little bit of butter, and pop 1 tortilla in. Look, I just want to play. I just want to show you what it looks like when it's ready. There's a very light brown hue on the tortilla, and now I'm just going to flip it over. Okay, this is ready now. We've got some brown flecks in there and really flexible, and it's going onto a plate. I'm going to continue frying all these tortillas up and I'll get back to you soon. Wow, look at these tortillas. They're so flexible and they have slightly cooled. You can make tacos, you can make burritos, you can have, you know, anything you like. I do hope you enjoy this video and get to make these huge tortillas. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.